is live. Hi guys, Iconic here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Thank you. And if you're new to this channel, please help me reach 2,000 subscribers and hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell. Tapos kayo enter guys. But then we're here right now. I'm with Jive. A very... Yes. Okay ra. Grabe. Guys, nag-nosebleed ko guys. Kaya grabe mo English si Jive. And then first time pa na mo na nagkita today. And then muramig. Super close. So I'm with Miss Ree. Kami ng tolo guys. Nay. But then, if ako kilay is life, Miss Ree is lipstick is life. Bahalag malay gosh. Grabe. We're still on the road going to Oslo. I'm super excited guys. With C3! Yes! 1 year anniversary! Happy anniversary C3! Yes! Super happy to be part of C3. Ah, charot kayo eh. Beauty related ah. Sa akong brows, I use Etude House and then today is super simple, quick makeup, pulbos, kilay, and then wala nang lip tint. Ano lang, simple lang. Inana na guys, Filipino time. Almost there. Yung babay pagikan.
Padong na ko.
Oh, padong na ko.
Maligo.
Guys, we need to stop by kay ipanggutom nami guys. So, okay. And I'm with Jive. Wala na siya nag-drive.
Yeah.
Follow him guys. All the links will be listed down below. He does super great videos, mga B-rolls guys. Nice. Check him out.
Thanks.
Guys, we're ready at Alcoy. So, bisag ko katultol, but then, oh, we're here. We're here na guys. We're here. 4 hours of drive. Loya ni Jive eh.
Dili listo di ko an? Saan ka?
Dili.
Madara dun.
Tawat lang dito na pit kilid.
Hi,
Ha?
Tia.
Dito sa kilid.
We're here! Yay! Guys, we're here already at Sabina! Lipstick is live. Wala yun. Really fit me. Pulbo-pulbo lang para sa natural na look. Papunta na kami sa boat guys right now. So I'm super excited na lahat sila nandun na. So yeah, tingnan nyo. Super ganda. Yung windshield ko parating na sa... Ang daming mga ganap doon, mga trekking, something. So I'm super excited. First time ko dito sa Sumilon. Oh my God. Hi. So we need to, gamitin namin tong life vest na to because safety first. Kailangan safety first. Alam ba kami? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We're here na guys. We're here. We're here. There's super pretty people out there. Yeah. We're here. So guys, we're here na guys. And, oh. Woohoo. What's up? Akong lovely na si Martin.
Jolly day.
Hello, oh, kailan ka? Hi, Saika.
Gabi hay.
Saika po. Hi, welcome. Grabe yung outfit. Nagiging outfit. Guys, tanaw ang outfit ni Borge.
Yeah.
Kasabta ko, Borge. Oh. With a proper hello.
Hey guys! Maayong buntag!
Ayong buntag.
Oh, buntag. Si Miss Dan. Hi, si Miss Dan. Hi. Oh my God.
Pinsan, may
Alden. Uy, ako kasakang sa house.
siya kapatana na wag siya lang.
Outfit.
Filipino.
Sa OOTD.
Yeah, OTD for Filipino.
Oh, ikaw, unsa man ka? Unsa man yung OOTD gang? Unsa na Thailand?
Thanks, Jeric. Makasokol pwede.
Oh, gano'n. Basta Bisaya. Uploading.
Hello po, mga ate, mga kuya.
Coffee is life.
Dito pa si Jama.
The life-size chessboard, we also have that in Maribago. Because we have guests coming from Maribago, Sumilan, and Panglao, so we want to give them something that they can see from each resort. So we also have activities for the kids. We have guest services associates to assist the kids if ever they want to do some coloring and arts and crafts.
This is their, guys, children's playground. Ang cute ng, tingnan nyo. Merong color-color na table. Yan. Meron ring mga drawings na mga babies. And ang ganda kasi merong chess.
Like driving from the city.
I can't.
Tita ba na go, Martin? Go! We've started our trekking na adventure, so we chose the moderate. Merong beginners, moderate, and advanced. So we go for the moderate because maybe it will take 30 to 45 minutes depending on the pacing. So, grabe. Aray. Yan, tingnan niyo sila guys. Nakakagala ko, bes. Sorry. So, starting pa lang to But anyway guys, ito yung ginagawa namin and then I'm going to get back to you if nakaabot na kami ng middle. Bye! Bye! Super ganda doon. Malayo talaga yun. Pero, tingnan nyo. Gaganyan ko. Oh, ganda. I think we're lost, charot. Hindi naman. Tingnan nyo. Sir Herbert, nasa likod ko. Yay! Thank you, Sir Herbert, for this opportunity. Thanks to Sir Herbert. This is the Parola Lighthouse. Nasa Michigan si Sharefish and Love.
Uy, magpa-plug raman to siya.
Oh, hi, CJ!
Hi CJ, how are you sa, asa to, Michigan?
Michigan. Kami sa Namis Mercado.
Namin sa supermercado.
Pero kinaya lang na akong chinilas. Birthday ko sponsored.
And the sea. Ang ganda! Super! Ang ganda ng sea! Oh my God! Kapuyas ha! Taray na!
We made it!
Nawala na yung kilay ko guys. Tapos wala nang lipstick.
Collector.
Kawawa ng lola niyo.
Ano natin?
So, yan.
Premiere the dogs. Our Lady of Fatima. And then the...
So, ano is dito? guys. Intermediate.
Okay.
So we're signing off. Charot.
So we're going to the villa.
We're going to the villas.
Yung family villa, 2 rooms siya. And then connected.
24/7.
In
May pool
between,
din.
there's a pool.
Yes,
We will.
Well,
Can I dive into the pool? Come in.
Can we check in right now?
Oh.
Alright, so this is our living room.
Ah, 23,000 pa lang. Amazing! Ganda naman. May siyang malaking mirror. Meron siyang relaxing tap. Ang laki ng ano nila, bathtub.
Pwede naman mag-go. Per night TV. Asa will
Ganda guys, no? Then, oh, may TV set. Rest muna guys. Grabe. Grabe, super. Ang ganda ng villa nila. I'll be back. We're going to visit another villa. Guys, this is the 40,000 villa daw. Good for 4 rooms. Ang dami. 1 room, and then another room, and then meron pa doon. We're going to go there. Shh. Yan. Ito yung bathroom. The same lang pala. No? Bathroom. Same bathroom. Ang laki ng bathroom nila, guys. And then, dito. While having a bath, meron TV. Taray! Dito. Hi guys! Hi Takers! Welcome to this channel. Welcome. Ang pangit na ng hair ko, guys. Wow, ito na siya. Ganda. Ganda. So this... It's 12 guys. It's lunch time. Excited for the lunch? Ako lang mag-isa kasi pumunta ako sa CR. Tapos nagpaganda ng konti ang lola niyo kasi super swerte na ang lola niyo. And then right now, guys, by the way guys, I'm going to announce Char 7 Capital Sins makeup series. I hope you're going to watch for it. It's a series of 7 capital sins. It doesn't mean that 7 capital sins I'm supporting for that sins. All of us are sinners, so it doesn't mean that I'm good at it. I'm just portraying what I wanted to show or what I wanted my audience to feel about different capital sins, which is the pride, anger, lust, envy, gluttony, avarice, and sloth. So that's the 7 capital sins that I'm inspired of, and I hope I'm going to finish it. And after that, I will be doing the beatitude or the 7 virtues of 7 heavenly virtues opposite to the 7 capital sins. So right now, I don't know if asan sila. Ang ganda ng views. So chill lang. Ay, I hope you enjoy the views, guys. Ako, I'm really enjoying the view so far. So I'm talking and talking. This is the the seaside, and this is the lakeside. Oh hopefully maglalast yung battery ko, guys. Aray. Hoping and praying. Hoping and praying. Bakit hindi nakikita yung ano, lake? Ah, doon pala, green. Yun ang lake nila. Ay, nagpa-photoshoot sila. Ang ganda ng photoshoot nila. Sige guys, I'm running out of battery and I hope this will last all day. Testing na rin to if maglalast yung battery niya. So, super windy. Ang layo pala nila. Saan ba sila? Super white sand. Ang ganda. Ah! Ganda, ganda. Super. Guys, happy anniversary!
Thank you. Happy anniversary.
Enjoy your lunch.
Pwede natin find your question.
Si Ann Curtis ba ng
Vlogger ng Blue Water Actress.
Derp derpity derp 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 derp.
Hey guys, so we're here right now at the glamping area. Parang siyang tent guys. Ang ganda. Meron pang cooler inside. Ang ganda niya. Tignan nyo. And some of them, nandun na sila. Rest. Yan, Miss Rhea. Si CG, naka-comfort zone. Matulog na siya. Saka nice, oh. Weave. And then, as you go inside, ang ganda niyo.
I like here. This is a great spot to actually...
Wala ni aircon, moro din siya direct sauna.
Ni sauna.
Naunsa ka na. Oh, hi! Mga, kwan ba ni? Mga hangkang. Nabahira na. Na, panit. Umay, oh. Grabe, oh. Si Borjo, grabe. That's worth 12K.
Magbayad na siya 12K.
12K na to.
Mas maayo. So, 12K daw to, guys. May electric fan, mini ref, cooler, and 2 beds.
And us.
And us.
And sneakers.
And sneakers.
Gatorade.
Oh my God.
What's up?
Pero in fairness, dili
With
siya
kids.
Dili siya init.
Namaligya.
Dili init.
because it's like
OMG! Grabe! Ang ganda! I'm obsessed with this chair. Wala, tulog na, charot. Kala nyo, no? Iniwan ko kayo. Super relaxing, guys. They're there. Then another tent there. And the beautiful sky. The beautiful sky. Relax. Hi guys! So we're going home. Hindi ako nag-swimming pero sila Rome nag-snorkeling, nagpunta sa sandbar, and then ako natulog lang kasi wala akong tulog and then I need to sleep. But grabe, ang ganda matulog lang because it's super relaxing. And now we're now here at the entrance and we're going home. So hey guys! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I hope you're going to like,